Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta glove box. First, open the glove box completely to access the interior. Next, locate the two retaining screws, usually found at the top corners inside the box. Use a suitable screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the glove box forward a few inches to begin detaching it from the dashboard. This initial step is crucial for accessing the next components. Now that the glove box is partially detached, you'll need to disconnect a few more items. Look for the dampener arm on one side and gently unclip it. Next, identify any electrical connectors, such as those for a light or auxiliary input, and carefully unplug them. If there's a light assembly, gently detach it from its housing. Take your time with these connections to avoid any damage. With the dampener and electrical components disconnected, the final step is to release the lower hinge pins. These pins typically slide out or unclip with a bit of gentle pressure. Once the hinges are free, you can carefully maneuver the entire glove box assembly out of the dashboard opening. Be sure to store the removed glove box and any screws or small parts in a safe place to prevent loss. When you're ready to reinstall the glove box, simply reverse the removal process. Start by aligning the lower hinge pins and securing them into place. Next, reconnect all electrical components, ensuring each plug clicks firmly. Then, gently push the glove box back into its opening and reattach the dampener arm. Finally, insert and fasten the two retaining screws at the top to secure everything tightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.